Ever wondered how an apple a day might keep more than just the doctor away? The humble apple, crisp, juicy, and packed with health benefits, might just be the secret to enhancing your sexual health. Apples are a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can contribute to a healthier sex life. One of these is quercetin, a potent antioxidant that promotes circulation and can help combat erectile dysfunction. It also plays a crucial role in boosting stamina, giving you the energy you need to perform at your best. But that's not all. Apples are also rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, which can help increase blood flow to genitalia, thus aiding sexual arousal in both men and women. This improved blood flow can not only boost sexual performance, but can also enhance sexual pleasure. An apple's high fiber content is another key player in your sexual health. Fiber aids digestion and helps maintain healthy body weight, both of which are essential for maintaining a healthy